9, 10. What? Two more.
Yeah.
One more. One more.
Day 32 of 365 days. I'm here at the park starting a new challenge. Push up every day for the whole year. I'm adding 1 push-up daily until the year is over. Let's go. Hello, sir. Can I invite you for a quick challenge?
What kind of challenge?
I'm actually doing a push-up challenge for the whole year. But since it's my day, actually it's my day 32. So we're gonna do 32.
32.
Yeah. When was the last time you do push-ups? Yeah, we can do it with a rest. You know, we can stop whenever you're tired. Let's go.
32.
32. Oh, it's gonna be the two of us. We're gonna do it together. Tara, dito, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. One moment, sir. Let me just set up my...
Wow, kasi kulang ako.
30.
Taon mo.
Hindi sir, ano lang eh. I'm here at the park. I'm with
Miko.
Mika, Sir Mika. Okay, since it's my day 32, we're gonna do how many push-ups?
10.
32. Hello, 10. Yeah. We can do it in about 3 sets. Like every 10, we can stop. Okay, sir. So it's gonna be on my count. Tara, sir. On the ground. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, stop. Oh! Kaya? Kaya? Okay. Pahinga muna konti, sir. Pahinga muna. Okay, 5-second rest. Alright. Baka mabigla. Okay. Let's do another set. Okay, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Rest? Okay. Last set. Okay. Parang tagal nyo na, sir, di nakapag-push, ah.
Puro walking.
Puro walking. Okay, sa cardio naman yan eh. The best for internal, right? Yeah. Okay. Last, 12. Yeah.
Pilipin na yan.
Let's do this. Pilitin na. In 3, 2, 1, go. Ilan na?
1. Ay.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What? Two more.
Yeah.
One more. One more. Last one. 32. Good job, sir. Sir Miko.
Okay, thank you.
You did it.
Okay, sige.
Sir, practice ka.
Okay, sige.
Day 32 done. See you on day 33. Don't forget to share your push-up guy in the comments below.
Subscribe to Max Day to follow the challenge. Hey.